Number 2. Archetype of Joy. A tribute in honor of the creative, therefore a chosen state of rest for the elect, known by higher dimensional beings for its paradoxical nature. In joy, all is complete. As one is given over to the archetypal nature, a release takes place, introducing paradoxes into a dimensional reality. The smallest gesture in the presence of pure joy forge energetic pathways. Songs of praise reverse time. A feather breaks stone. Laughter heals disease. Faith is restored through a soft whisper. And the removing of obstacles through a well-timed conversation about nothing. In the presence of pure joy, perceptions are united, projections dissipated, all is restored. The vast awaits, however, this is not freely given. It asks in exchange to walk circumspectly, for its nature is sacred. Among its requirements for entry is that one becomes reminiscent of a time before sin ever was, thereby reversing the veils of suffering and rediscovering an innocence. This true path shapes disciples as followers begin their discipline of joy. It requires that one lays aside the complexity of emotional triggers, judgements, and to withhold disbelief. It asks for contemplation so it may reveal its personal path and release its paradoxes in time. For this realm offers the simplicity of trust away from the complexities of the unreal. The miraculous is released in time. For those who have made the now their home. For all that is holy lives in the now. It's here we will find reflections of the play and joy of the universe.